Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to warp text around the image in Adobe Photoshop. First, create a new document of these dimensions. Go to the File menu, Place Embedded, select the image, and click on Place. Adjust its size and position. Right-click on its layer and choose Rasterize Layer. Go to the Rectangle Marquee tool, and select the blank area. Go to the Edit menu, Fill, use these settings for fill, and hit OK. Now go to the Select menu and Subject. Press Ctrl+J for layer via copy of it. Go to the Rectangle tool and draw a shape here. Use this color for it or any of your choice. Bring down its opacity to 45%. Right-click on and choose Blending Options. Add stroke to it. Follow my stroke settings. Then apply the inner glow to it. Follow my inner glow settings. Select the Type tool, and type the text. And place it inside the shape. Hold the Shift button to select both the layers, right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Press Ctrl+T, right-click on it, and choose Warp. Then go to the Warp option and choose Cylinder. Adjust it. Hit Enter. Press Ctrl+J. Press Ctrl+T, right-click on it, and choose Warp. Click and drag it up like this. Right-click on it, and choose Flip Horizontal. Select the top layer and drag it under the image PNG layer. Select the top layer, right-click on it, and open the blending options. Apply the outer glow to it. Use these settings for outer glow. Right-click on the layer and choose Create Layer. Right-click on the glow layer and choose Create Clipping Mask. Select the text and effect layer, and link them. Select the PNG image layer, open the blending options, and apply the outer glow to it. Using black color. And that's it. Share your thoughts on this. If there is any question, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching.